when we start this program this morning, we'll talk and say by next week here, just next week here, we'll do Happy Christmas. And when you come look the area and you come and say, be like say the matter when we say concern crime, it think come like say they increase. I will come and say statistically, every time when we say Christmas, they come like this. And so people, when I say crime, they increase and all of that. Waiting for the Christmas when we say you can make crime increase. The Christmas we must celebrate and say you must die, put aside and that kind of thing. We get two young people there when say yes, say they will talk to us because the matter actually they concern our youth well for the whole thing. Now because go call them maybe they talk to us. We get first and foremost here. We get one young entrepreneur, the chairman, managing director of Rave La Vida, our friend and brother Bright Iyamo. Welcome to our program. I greet you. We get one that person here, a person of many parts then, but you get where you call and reach, you can see yes, it's time to you call and make come talk. Our friend and brother to Albert Obaze. Welcome to our program.
Good morning. Good morning, Edo people.
Thank you. We don't talk about politics today at all. We talk about our youth and entrepreneurship. That made me call because I know say you get hand for businesses and the rest. So man, look at more start from there. What did they make a way like say crime among youths? They increase when it comes for time for Christmas?
Well, my brother, thank you for this question. What did they make this crime? They increase during Yuletide season like this. Now, because our people, there's always a fate plan for this period.
Okay.
I know people, when we say from January, they don't save for this Christmas period.
Okay.
I know of some families, September, they don't buy Christmas clothes for their children.
Don't lock up for that side.
Everything. Now follow up they do now. So many know they plan for this period. Everybody they go out, they catch phone, they spend money, they go market. So out of frustration, say things they happen. I go bar, I don't feel even shake body. I go market, I don't feel buy anything. My wife asks me for money, I don't fit. My friends they don't fit. They'll come resort to crime. And sometimes not because maybe men broke. So now because they just believe say this period, because of the celebration, the security system would go there weak this period. They believe say this is the right time for them to make money. So why I feel say crime they always increase this period is because most of our youth they always plan for this period. Say this time, this is the money I'm going to spend. And sometimes they increase for January. It they increase for January because many go don't spend everything when they save throughout the year for this December. Say we must enjoy anywhere we go. We must spend. January will come hard.
Okay.
Then they lead to where some people don't save to augment themselves for January, February, March. They'll come go. They go to collect them. So I feel say not the plan for this period. Now why they are crime?
Okay, man, come to you, Bright. You see, when they look matter, we want people when they say go make the whole team bright way. Now make our say we go call somebody like it. If you look at now, this period of time, the person when we say want to celebrate, now be Jesus Christ. He talk and say yes, we must go do crime before we go feel celebrate him.
The way it be, I just say, everybody get their different mindsets. Christmas now waiting go come.
Go still go.
It don't mean say you must do what your neighbor do to take make sure say you don't achieve your Christmas things where you want to. This Christmas so now we do now a celebration of Christ. It don't mean say you must go buy everything to tell you say okay now the Christmas is not complete. Anything if you afford, just afford them, manage them with your family. Some people they can't go, they commit crime. Some go they thief just because they want to celebrate Christmas. And this Christmas what they talk so, if they come, now they shack
yes.
On that day now, once that 24th or 25th don't reach now, before you wake up for morning, 12 don't knock. Before you know Christmas don't end. You can't see and say after Christmas, how you going to plan your life again? You're not going to plan your life again because not be waiting you sabi do, not be you go put your hand.
Okay.
You don't go to some go borrow money with interest just because they want to do a very good Christmas for their family. This Christmas of 18, now waiting we suppose just take us. Say you don't deal with the siam. Anything we be say we give our family go understand. Not because of say now some of them if they get girlfriend. Their girlfriend don't tell they say I need Brazilian hair and you know
get what they call now what now both straight
and you know say you not get work you not get what you they do if you get that kind of woman, he can't go and ask you that kind of need. You go know say that woman not be your own.
Okay.
You go use your two leg wrong. But some of our brother know they'll come go they over the two.
Okay.
They'll come they involve themselves into crime. That's why you see the way they snatch phones. They'll go to do all sorts of things to take meet up to the demand of that their girlfriend.
Or wife.
Or your wife, which is very bad. You understand? And I want to use this medium to tell our youth, both girls and boys, this Christmas when it comes to, we know say from the beginning of the year, Corona don't really affect us well. Everything don't cost. You understand? Everything don't cost for market. Anything, any little thing where our person feel raise for us.
No manager.
Make we manage them like that.
Okay.
Because not be do or die affair.
Okay. Ma come to you, my brother Albert. You get what you talk about. You say security for around this period of time. Say they always a day week. Is it that the police don't ready to do their work or that kind of thing? Why you go talk to you say security day? You talk on us now.
Well, now this country where you dey, never they get any time. With police say they impress us
During this time.
During this time, you know, they always don't say before Christmas like this. You will see commissioner of police, you will see IG, you will see they release statements. They are prepared, they are ready to curb crime, to fight crime during this Christmas period. But most times we don't see say some situation go there where you will call police when they respond. So we'll tell you say now let me do office so control you go sometimes you go even call control they will tell you say we will get back to you. Like 2 days ago somebody called me say that they run for their area. Make I help and call control room. I know how long it take me to reach control room. So police this period that they know they try, or we know we just condemn them totally. Then they try, but they know they everly defeat fight crime this period because the celebration, the city don't full. Many people don't also for village they come. Some way don't they abroad they will come.
They come with their family.
So even the police say they still they enjoy, they still they find time they spend with their family. Sometimes you go some bar now, you see police van park. They say they still time for them to enjoy. So for security, police know they try, but they know they too try for this period. But we pray with the commissioner when we get Justice Okumo. We just pray when we see something different this time around. When we see whether they go really fit fight crime. Because the report what they get, you know, they too make sense.
Okay. Man, come back to you. You talk one man talk and say, if you don't keep the boys busy, that people when they for government, they don't keep the boys busy. They'll keep government busy. You understand? Maybe just say most of these boys now, maybe they don't get work and the rest. But must we wait for government to give us work all the time? Because I know say you're a young businessman.
If you talk about that one, you're not going to be saying everything you want, you can't wait for government. Okay. Because it's not democracy. Not government of the people.
For the people and by the people, all of them, yeah, they talk and so people they say.
You understand? You go do your own part.
Okay.
As a citizen, the government
do your
part. If everybody do their own part like that, you go see I'm saying the crime rate will reduce. If you see them now, how many youths really ready to work these days? They are not much. But they want make money.
Okay.
Now be the issue where they cause crime. Now you want the wear designers something because you see and say somebody
say Albert they wear
designers. When you say you want to wear, you don't get what you they do.
Okay.
So for you to meet up to that standard, you must commit crime. Okay. You understand? If you be person you do rational, you be rational behavioral person will say you understand how you do make your expenditure. You will feel manage yourself. Okay. There are so many people they live day to day, they receive 5,000 naira for per day job.
But they plan their life.
They get family. They actually go a very good school. They not few years come out now and go say, okay, they want to go an expensive beer parlor, say they want to go drink. They know where their parlor, where their own stage reach. If now one mama put they go eat. They don't go Sizzlers, go eat. Okay. You say you don't get a better income you they get because your neighbor they carry children, they go sisters, go they eat, they carry them, they go
different place, or they go rave la vida, go they eat.
You can say, okay, now today,
I must go there.
Go there. If you go there today, tomorrow you can't go again. How you want to do? You go there to find how you will fit the meet up with that thing.
Okay, so what you're trying to talk now, because you wake up in the morning and say, okay, let me go into business, Abi, and the rest of that, because you say maybe God, we say government get their own role, people get their own role. Maybe government no fit give everybody work. You don't look and say, maybe government no fit give you work. And second yourself, I know if you work for government, yes. Man, I go do my own and all of that. You know, if you say yes, this is the kind of business supposed to tell youth them.
Yes, now what is youth supposed to know? As a youth supposed to know, say, government no fit touch everybody.
Life.
You know, basically, if it touch, you yourself, you go still do your own. Like the way me be now. I get more than 52 staffs from my office. I can tell you, say, I did help the government in one or 2 ways. You understand? You know me say, I can't wait for government, they can't do everything. You go tell you try to talk. Those staffs now, they are under my payroll. Okay. So as month end, they pay their salary from me, not from the government. Okay. So me now, they pay tax to the government. Okay. So automatically, I don't remove some people for the society from unemployment. So if every youth begin to emulate all this kind of thing, you see the crime rates will reduce well.
Okay. Okay, may I come to you, because they say some youth that are unemployable. You don't go for employment, they don't want to work. And secondly too, make a look at you, I want me to marry them together. The last political dispensation, you will see you very active and all of that and that kind of thing. And we can't say and not say some other politicians did like that. But because they see many of them, when they see their faces again and all of that, after they don't do election, they don't announce results and that kind of thing. So I won't find that politics now, business now, I've been now waiting. Or why you be say yes, we see the hear you even outside politics there?
Well, my brother, now waiting we they pray before make it happen for this state. The Bible says there is time for everything. Yeah. Time to play politics. Time to wait for whoever you elect to serve the people. Time the day when you work for the person will go face your life. Election period, not the election period to run up and down. After election, you can't go sit down.
Whole plate for hand, they beg the
whole plate for hand, what they call under tree politician. Okay. You know, so before now, they get politicians who say after election like this, now they get governor, senator, House of Rep, itinerary pass even the governor. They know where governor the day airport. They know where governor the day Lagos. Say, if they around, they'll go stay on that tree. As maybe governor or senator where they work for. Your Excellency, on that tree. They believe say they don't work. Now the government need to come compensate them, to come patronize them, to give them something to do. But people like us, we don't join politics to say once we don't work, you can't give us something. If you don't give us something, we will come fight. Okay. We can't fight. You know, the last election, people did we fight Governor Obaseki because they believe they work for a 2016. You know,
do what
they expect to do. So the case said no, they must remove one talk back almost powerly. They must remove one. But me no play that kind of politics. Okay. After election, I call my team, people who work together. I say, come, governor, don't we know everybody? What you they do? Bring your CV. Come give me your CV. This one when you bring the issue of some youth not there employable. I can't really see them. What can you do? So I will say they don't go school. What can you do?
Nothing.
Just tell me what can you do? If not the area where I good, if not the area where I do operate, for friends. Right. What can you do? So I say many youth don't do anything. Even some when say they go school, they get. What can you do? Look, this is my office. That's why I can't get about 12 of them. What did they do? So I said, no, they don't feel accept the salary when I want to pay. I said, come, you're not there. But what we just need to do, we don't need to
Let's keep ourselves busy.
And check some of them now when follow me. They just see there is difference between when you sit down for house, they wait. And when they do something. One of my boy processed a document for somebody who outside the country recently. After the person don't pay the official price, what would they charge?
Tell them thank you.
Send us something, say, take this 20,000 for the work.
Thank you. Yeah.
You understand? So the person now they feel now. Many youths not believe as we speak. So many just sit down for house. You just be like, wait till this my brother they talk just now about job. Many youths they so I small when I they go primary and secondary school. I tell myself say, if I finish school, I'll go give my mother the certificate, my certificate. And as we speak, my certificate with my mother.
You go do what your mind.
When they grow, they come. I don't see this issue of unemployment don't day since. I don't see youth come up from school, come there.
So your own now say you don't give, they don't say you go to school, you don't get a certificate.
I don't
go pursue your life the way you want.
If I get a job now, where will need that certificate? I'll go say, Mama, where that certificate give me? But I never say because I get certificate, I'll come sit down. They social media or they streets, they say no job. So I get to look for a way to create job for myself. Okay. As I made it also, I'm into real estate. Okay. And they say I'm buy property. I tell somebody recently say, if I choose not to do real estate again, say I want be carpenter. I go do well because I go make sure say all my friends when they get job for me, I go they follow up with them. So many youths not really they employable. The ones when they employable, they believe say everything are government. I was telling somebody recently, say people are lobbying, going up and down. They want to be commissioner, they want to be this. Ask yourself, how much is a commissioner's salary? Okay. It's less than 400,000 naira. It's less than 400,000 unless you want no government, no steal. How much is your salary? Okay, no problem. See, by the time not be our friend again and the rest of that, I was if I want to let you come out now, which word you would like to give our Edo youths? Because in the talk now I say good, make they learn work, make they get one thing when we say they do and all of that. Man, no help you. Just help yourself. What thing you go want make you be say Edo youth to do instead of them to pour on for crime.
The advice that I get for all the youths, because we are still the youth.
Yeah.
Because now youth. Yes. You understand? Make them try. They get okay with what they get. Okay. Maybe they're not going to use another person first step. They count their own one step. Everybody get their time. Right. Whatever you do, put your eye where. Not go look another person, just put your eye, concentrate on what you do. When your time come, one helper will just say come, go help you do that thing, go become big. Okay. You understand? Even if you're a carpenter. Like you talk just now. But just know your work. If you know your work very well. Now just one small thing you do. One person will be say you don't big for government. You say come carry this contract for government since you fit do this work. You go do away from there. You don't develop yourself.
All right, we thank you so much, Brighty Iyamo, the CEO of Rave La Vida. Thank you, Mr. Show your face here. Thank you so much. Albert Obaze, we never know see this other part there with our own I say crack team. We just surprised say don't tell us so many things. Say there are other things when Mr. Person is supposed to do outside politics. He tell us a person need to get second address. So Mr. you tell us now.
Yes,
second address. Need to get second address.
Key.
Thank you so much, my brother. How about give it to me now? Yeah.